The issue here is I got my oil filter up here stuck, and I don't have any room to get my tools up there. I've got one of these claw things, and there's no room to rotate it. And I've got one of these spinny guys, but it doesn't get small enough to grab that thing. So I hit it with a hammer and bent these things way down. So yeah, a few taps of an engineer's hammer and bent those, and we'll see if that makes it grab it. Otherwise, I'm going to try a technique I saw another guy on YouTube do, where he just jammed a screwdriver through it. I think that'll work. Alright, so I'm going to tuck this puppy up here. We'll see if this works. It's not a camera, it's a puppy. Alright. I think I'm going to move this oil pan out of the way. Everybody says to make sure you got the oil pan under it, but you know what? I want room to work without bumping into it, and I don't have to. It's a lot smaller now, and I don't have to turn it to the point where it's actually leaking on me. I'll give it some assistance with my hands here so I can get it to get a grip. Oh yes! Alright, so that was a pretty clean fix, guys. I just took a hammer to both sides of this, made it significantly, like it kind of bent it in the middle here, so it's right there. And it bent easily. It's a cheap tool. We can do this way now. There we go. See, now we can start thinking about oil pans and how about even moving GoPros out of the way. That's what I call thinking ahead. Yeah, you probably can't see me because of my light. Well, that's your loss, because I'm beautiful.